Welcome back, guys, to my channel. What's up? So today I'm here with this wig once more. As you can see, yes, this wig I definitely worn it before, and today I'm going to be reinstalling it for you guys. And I also have a giveaway for you guys, so you guys don't want to miss out on that. So what I have here with me is the new clean hairline 6-inch parting silky straight lace front wig from RPG Hair, and it is transparent lace that we're working with. The code is LFW91. I was showing you the inside where it has 4 combs, adjustable straps in the back, and pretty standard cap construction. This wig came initially 20 inches long, but I did cut like 2 inches off, and the density is 150%. The knots are definitely pre-bleached, and as you can see, this hairline, baby, it is definitely all the way pre-plucked. So that is one thing that I really love about it. As you can see, I jumped into just, going ahead, putting it on my head and started the installation process, which I took my God to be to reinstall this today. So I know that I always get a lot of requests to do like reinstallments of a wig, and I do them here and there. I know I don't do them enough, but I'm happy I could do this for you guys today. Yes, I know it can be a little bit more work just because the extra lace is already cut off, but it's definitely possible. It just takes a little bit of practice and some time, and you'll get the hang of it. So I do the very same thing that I always do. I just make sure I actually secure the mid portion of the lace first before I do the sides. That way it's way easier than to do it from ear to ear, because then it will probably slip and just it'll be annoying doing it like that. At least for me it will. So yeah, so I just took my time. As usual, I have my blow dryer on cool air, or cool air rather. So yeah, as I was saying, I didn't have to do anything to this hairline. If you didn't catch the initial install of this wig when I showed you guys this wig in the video or whatever, I didn't do anything to this wig at all. This is exactly how I got the wig, okay? Exactly how I got the wig. And so I really have to just shout out to RPG here, because they keep on trying to improve their quality more and more. Oh, by the way, I also attempted to do the soft baby hairs today again, and I must say I did a little bit better. I did go ahead and put on my elastic band to further help to melt the lace down. This lace is extremely thin, so you want to be very delicate when handling it, or gentle rather. I opted to do the same hairstyle again because there's something about this wig that makes me just you know, when you go sleep back, look there, look bad, and like you smell good. If you're nice, still in a not gonna lie, me never realized it's nicey. But I go straighten it same way. I'ma straighten it same way. Okay. So yeah. I was just fooling around right there. Pretty much went in with my flat iron. I got it bone straight. And as you can see, you saw those waves, right? Those are some nice soft waves that came up right after washing the wig. And I was just like, okay, this is a silky straight hair, but I love the fact that it was like that wavy. It's really pretty. So that's really nice. So the quality so far is really, really good. Minimal shedding, just to put that out there. Yes, there is shedding, very minimal. But I must say the star of the show of this wig is definitely the hairline. And I feel like that's the purpose of this giveaway. And I will speak to you more about the giveaway in a few. So just continue watching. It's coming right up.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed.
As you can see, I'm all done with it. Reinstalling this wig. Yes, that's one like popular request. No matter how much times I reinstall a wig, which I don't do it as much as how I install brand new wigs, but I do it here and there. So I hope it was helpful to see me reinstall this gorgeous wig from RPG Hair today, because you guys know how in love I was with this wig the last time I installed it. So I was happy to reinstall it today again. You guys know sometimes I'm a tired of mama. You know, I want to go all out with the edges, and then other times where I really don't. You know, and this hairline, it's the ultimate clean hairline. Like, and that's where the giveaway comes in for today's video. All you need to do to enter this giveaway, by the way, is like this video and comment like your preference in terms of the hairlines that I've shown you so far from RPG. If you prefer this kind of hairline or like previous ones. So yes, so I want you to comment it, leave your thoughts, and a random winner will be selected from the comment section of this video, and you get a free wig. Well, this one that I'm rocking, not the exact same thing, but RPG is going to send you a brand new one of this wig. Yeah, the winner that is. So go ahead, like this video. Also make sure you're subscribed. Duh. Yes, if you're not subscribed, you cannot win. Me personally, I feel like ultimately I would love for them to start doing most of their hairlines like this. My only thing is that maybe not as plucked. It is nicely plucked, which I stated that before, but you know, a little less plucked, because in some areas it might appear like, you know, it needed more hair. So go ahead, do the same down below, and a winner will be selected from down there. RPG will send you a brand new one of these wigs. Okay, yes, so that's literally how you, it's so easy. It's such an easy giveaway. And yeah. So as usual, you guys know I'll put all the information on this wig in my comments, in my comment section, in my description box, as well as the direct link where you can go ahead and purchase it if you're interested. And that's it. That's pretty much it for today's video. Pretty much to the point. And thank you guys so much for sticking around. I'm always so appreciative. Shout out to RPG Hair once more. And that's it. Just go and stay tuned. Go and big up on yourself. Don't forget to subscribe to my vlog channel as well, PETITE-SUE TV. And I'll see you guys in my next video.
Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher.